Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. The fourth day in Georgia, and today we decided to go to the park, rather big park. It is called Bakke. We'll go for a walk around the park and we'll ride on a cable road, канатная дорога. We are not alone here, guys. One more vlogger. That is not the main entrance to the park, just some extra entrance. But over there is about 35 degrees at the moment, no shade, so we decided to enter here. Today, guys, will be incredibly hot, plus 38. At the moment is about 35, so this week is very hot, but not humid. That is why it feels like 30 degrees in Moscow region. Poor doggy, too hot for him. That is, guys, the staircase to the attractions, but we won't go here. We will try to get to the central park, to the central entrance. I have noticed, guys, they have such refreshing systems, sprinklers almost everywhere. Without such system, the plants would die, because 38 degrees, I think, during the whole summer, 35, 38. In such hot days, guys, it is better to be somewhere on the bank of the river or near the sea. Here is also Tbilisi Sea, as they called it, so some lake, or how to call it, yeah? But unfortunately we won't go there. The main entrance to the park, we went along that alley, very wonderful and picturesque. And now we'll be going in that direction. Go to the stop of the cable road, funicular. That is, guys, the card, metro money. We can pay for buses, for metro, and also for cable roads. The price is 1 lari to ride the cable road. Все там все забыли. Ой, какая маленькая. А как тут? Ой, какая маленькая.
Kapatmışlar. Panik atak. Şaka yaptım ya.
Düşersek paramparçık olur.
Inside, guys, is very small room. Incredibly small.
Ben de korkmuyorum da şey...
Vielleicht kannst du nach da gehen. Da ist ein bisschen Luft.
Şimdi şey olsa
O çöl ekspresi yapacağım konu. Yarası yok.
bir kişiyle
Ne giyiyorsun?
Gidiyorlardı. Dolduruyorlar. Sürekli gidiyor. Yok şimdi biri gidiyor biri geliyor. Tamam. Ama şu an yolcu bekle. Şimdi böyle yapıyor. En büyük farkı spor yapmaya panik atak geçirmedi. Ve onunla yapmıyor ki. Bunlar kendileri de geçiyor. Bak bu adam kendi geçiyor. Kendi malzemesi. Bunu orada yapmak yer yok.
Wo kommt man denn da unten an? Ja, guck mal, da macht es auch gerade ein Kind übrigens. Da wird direkt ein Kind reingeschnallt. Vielleicht können wir gleichzeitig nebeneinander, das wäre ja cool. Vielleicht können wir auch einfach mit Lea zusammen. Nein, für die ist es zu viel. So, jetzt muss der Mann da aufmachen bei dir lang. Komm mal da weg, nicht, dass du da rausfällst. Großer Schritt, vorsichtig.
Bence de çok riskli bir şey bu. Gel.
Oh. Ya ver çok
Very shaky construction, guys. Incredibly shaky. And I think rather uncomfortable to ride without glass on the windows. About, I think, 9 people in the cabin. Very, very small cabin. We are, guys, on the top, almost on the top of the hill. Wonderful, really gorgeous view. I think in the evening here will be also very cool, but I'm not sure whether this cable road works. I have to say that it was rather uncomfortable in that cabin, first of all because too many people inside and the cabin is small, and also it shakes, the cabin shakes while going uphill, so it shakes. And when I had a camera in my hand and the open glass, the open window without the glass, so I was afraid to drop my camera, so did not feel comfortable. So Alex was taking pictures. I told him to stand in the corner because there was some glass protection. He was filming on a telephone because I told him it doesn't matter whether we take pictures or not, the most important thing is not to drop the telephone on the ground. So, but here, guys, really very, very gorgeous, wonderful view, and that is cool that we are almost alone here. Almost alone. Here were 2 more girls from Turkey. We talked with them. Luckily they spoke English, and now we are alone. But very hot, guys, incredibly hot. And we are living in that part of Tbilisi. Those, the first many-storied buildings, that neighborhood. So, guys, it's a wonderful viewpoint and very, very lovely city, the capital of Georgia, Tbilisi. Georgia is Georgia in Russian. Tbilisi city, the capital of Georgia. And now we will go to the Turtle Lake. The tour is going on. Now many people here. We were lucky to come when here was almost no one. That is Alex hiding. Come on, the adventures are going on. Куда мы идем?
Сейчас отсюда посмотрим вид.
Шапочку достать. Конечно, деревья закрывают вид. Zipline Flying Turtle. Yeah. Алекс, zipline называется. Я сказала тарзанка. Zipline.
Тарзан лайн.
Alex, would you like to go?
No.
No. Трус?
No, I'm
Боится лобовой.
No, I'm too old.
Too old.
For this adventure.
Alex says that he's not a coward. He's just very, very old for such adventures, for such a challenge. So then, Alex, the Turtle Lake is for you. Oh, here is the parking lot. Там дорога, наверное, она сюда и приходит. А, нам сюда, да?
Здесь спуск есть. Давай по нему и пойдем прям.
О, Cicada are singing. Some small insects, cicada. Do you hear? As we love turtles, we could not miss the chance to go to the turtle lake. I'm sure turtles do not live there, that as well, just the name. But who knows? Вот тут кафешка есть, Алиш. Смотри, тут цивильно. Причал.